Hey yo, it's Chris O. Here with this next one now that I'm doing. So I showed you before, this is how you extend your level if you're or your straight edge. If your straight edge isn't long enough, you just grab another one. I've got the same distance there as there. I want to go to the end of my linear drain or strip drain, so this is how you do it. You connect both the levels together, and I know that is now bang on. So I'm marking it there, there, there. I'm not a fan of these floor wastes. They're plastic and they're shitty and that sort of thing. I like the brass ones that are coated in black or silver. These are plastic and I don't like them, but you get them online. They're cheap. That's why people buy them. Right, that's fine and dandy. Mark there, mark there, mark there. That's cool. So what I do now is I just go out, cut them, and I'll be back.